Embarking on a backpacking adventure promises a blend of fun, excitement, and enjoyment. Yet, it's the right gear that can elevate your initial backpacking experience, transforming it into a truly memorable journey. For beginners, the challenge often lies in deciding which gear to choose or discard. In this guide, we'll explore the 20 essential backpacking gears that beginners should carefully consider before setting out on their backpacking tour. Ready to go for the extreme backpacking adventure? Put the Salomon Outpost Gore-Tex shoes on your feet and explore the beauty of nature in full comfort. These waterproof shoes keep your feet safe in any weather conditions. The full rubber toe caps offer intense protection from roots and rocks, providing a painless backpacking experience. Despite being a perfect combination of style, comfort, and features, it doesn't come with a high price tag. If you acknowledge yourself as a backpacker, you must carry a bag like the Kelty Coyote 65. Specifically made for backpackers, it comes with many features and specifications. The AmpFlow ventilated back panel ensures excellent comfort, even after carrying it for a long time. The advanced perimeter frame provides stability on the go, and multiple compartments keep everything organized and close at hand. Living in a tent is fun and exciting, especially on backpacking tours. The Big Agnes CR2 tent enhances your excitement to the next level with its durable, waterproof design. Weighing only 4 pounds, this tent is easy to carry, and its 28 square feet of floor space offers backpackers ample room to stay comfortably. Surprisingly, it doesn't come with a hefty price tag. The Astro 300 headlamp provides the flexibility to use your hands on climbing, hiking, or other important tasks. With a 300 lumen max output, it ensures excellent illumination in pitch-black darkness. The IPX4 stormproof rating makes it resistant to unpleasant weather conditions. It offers multiple modes for various adventurous situations. Backpacking is impossible without a knife. The Civivi Elemental Pocket Knife, made with high-class D2 blade material, provides extra advantages during backpacking. You can swiftly access it with just a press of a trigger. The incredible G10 handle ensures a strong grip. Backpacking without a first aid kit is very risky. The Survive Wire Small Waterproof Kit gives great peace of mind during injuries and helps with on-the-go treatment. Made with waterproof 600 DTP material, it's perfect for rugged outdoor trips. It comes with multiple compartments to keep every medical essential organized, and it can carry up to 100 different medical items, taking up minimal space in your bag. A good night's sleep on a backpacking trip used to be a rarity, but with the Big Agnes Insulated AirCore Ultra Sleeping Pad, you can have a relaxed sleep. Designed with durable nylon ripstop material, it ensures a smooth and stable sleeping experience while maintaining intense durability. Compared to its competitors, it takes up little space in your bag. Getting decent rest in backpacking requires a light sleeping pillow like the Thermarest Airhead. This pillow delivers extreme comfort while sleeping, similar to a regular pillow. Compact and made of high-quality polyester, it ensures a longer lifespan and doesn't take much hassle to inflate and deflate. Go beyond the boundaries without any fear of getting lost with the Spot Gen 4, a high-quality satellite communicator that keeps you connected with people who care about you. It has amazing features and a small form factor. With a customizable tracking system, it sends updates to your loved ones, providing complete peace of mind. In backpacking, when extreme breathability and comfort are key, the Patagonia Men's Houdini can be the best air jacket. Designed with impressively lightweight nylon and polyester fabric, it delivers intense airflow next to the skin. The single-pull adjustable hood ensures a better fit without sacrificing peripheral vision. Conventional pants can't provide as much comfort as the Outdoor Research Feroci pants. Made of award-winning Feroci fabric, perfect for any outdoor condition, these pants are water-resistant, lightweight, and breathable, allowing you to wear them for an extended period. Heavy rain can't stop the mark when one has the One Wind Ultra-Light Rain Poncho. Made of 15D Sil nylon ripstop, it protects from untowardly and unpredictable weather conditions. Backpackers can even set it up as a survival shelter to protect themselves from heavy sun and rain. You need a trekking pole like the Foxley, ensuring reliable stability and comfort in your journey. Its ergonomic full-length cork grip allows for extended use without hassle. The best thing is that you won't need to carry a separate trekking pole for different terrains. This one can be used on multiple surfaces, thanks to its lightweight design. A standard water bottle takes up too much space, right? The HydroPack Flux will save space for backpackers. This collapsible water bottle packs down smaller than a deck of cards but carries up to 1 liter of water. It's 100% BPA and PVC free, ensuring no added smell to the water. You can't sip water from anywhere outdoors because safe water is rare, but with the LifeStraw Peak Series straw, you can do this without fearing bacteria, parasites, and dirt in the water. This water filter can kill 99.99% of harmful bacteria efficiently and ensures safe water on the go. Made of FDA-approved premium materials, it is trusted by outdoor enthusiasts for long years. Sometimes you need to cook when you're on a backpacking trip, but you can't take big, bulky stoves with you. The Spit Ultralight Folding Pocket Stove solves this problem for backpackers. It's so compact it can adjust within the palm of your hand, and unlike other conventional stoves, it takes almost no formality to set up. Carrying multiple tools makes your bag bulky, so take the Rover Act multi-tool for the next backpacking trip. This multi-tool has a saw, knife, axe, bottle opener, and many more essential things to make backpacking flawless. Made of fully stainless steel, this multi-tool stands against harsh conditions for longer. Keep mosquitoes away from you with the Thermacell MR300. This portable mosquito repeller protects against mosquitoes up to 15 feet away. It doesn't need any battery or cord to run and takes up little space in the bag, freeing you from the messy mosquito spray. Getting soaked in the rain is fun, but what about the phone you use? The Giotto Universal Waterproof Pouch protects your phone from extreme rain and gives great peace of mind. This universal phone pouch provides water, dirt, and snowproof protection while maintaining full touchscreen functionality. You can even capture excellent photos without removing the phone from the pouch. During backpacking, charging multiple electric devices can be a challenge. The SunJack 15 portable solar charger can be a lifesaver in this situation. It looks like a tablet but effectively powers up handheld GPS devices, hiking watches, and smartphones. Weather-resistant, shockproof, and drop-proof, it can be easily carried in any off-road conditions. So that was about the 20 essential backpacking gear for beginners.